bass pipe, organ swells, crashing cymbals, and a sudden burst of brass. A massive choir begins vocalizing a powerful, soaring and losing a powerful hallelujah in rich harmony. When the tempest roars and winds arise and darkness tries to veil our eyes, with the Spirit brave and the faith so bold die, with His mighty power as our guide. He rules the storm. He rules the storm. He reigns supreme. He reigns supreme. He speaks unto the raging sea. Every wave must bow to Him. Every wave must bow to Him. Every soul is saved within. He is the Lord, the great I am. Glory to the sacrificial Lamb. Do you know He's able? Sure, He is able. Is He the King of glory? Sure, King of glory. Lead, the wind shall cease.